Hi, I'm Dr. Roshawnna Novellus, and I am passionate about pairing finance with mindfulness because I believe that everyone should live the life of their dreams. Now, for savvy entrepreneurs, I founded Novellus Financial so that I can provide the strategic financial consulting to help businesses either grow, expand, or attract capital. And for the everyday person, I have the Wealthy Yogi, where I teach people how to first become mindful and then make financial decisions from that place of mindfulness once they are there. So I have workshops, courses. You can also find my book, Budgeting is More Liberation Than Limitation. And all of these components are geared towards letting people know that they can grant their own wishes and that they're worth it. Their dreams are worth it. And as long as they focus on their finances and their priorities and bridging the two together, that they can have live their more ideal life. So there are many tips when that entrepreneur should use to stay on top of their taxes. The next one is be on top of payroll. Small businesses have to send out their 1099s and their W-2s at the end of January. And doing this not only impacts your company, but also impacts all your employees and independent contractors. You don't know how many times that people file their taxes and then receive a 1099 in March, and it affects everyone. So be on top of your payroll and be compliant because there are a lot of penalties. The number two thing is claim all of your deductions. A lot of business owners, they don't prioritize filing their taxes, and then when the deadline approaches, they only actually record their revenue. So in fact, they have a larger tax bill than they otherwise would have if they would have properly prepared their taxes and claimed all of their deductions. Another thing is to be honest. A lot of small business owners try to find deductions that they do not qualify for, and that's a bad deal. So be honest. If you have a home office, please claim that home office, but if you don't, you don't. So have an accurate assessment of your finances and do what it takes to get all the deductions that you're legally entitled to receive, but don't claim anything else. Let me insert one major change from this year to last year, between this year and last year, is the enforcement of the Affordable Care Act penalty for small business owners. Small businesses will have a heavy penalty for not providing health insurance to their employees. So make sure that you abide by all regulations and don't be caught by surprise. Also, reimbursing your employees for their health insurance does not count as an exemption. So make sure you follow all the regulations and stay compliant with all Affordable Care Act obligations. Another thing is, I would say, file early, right? So don't wait to the last minute to file your tax return. So partnerships have to send out K-1s to all of their business owners, right? And a lot of times businesses file extensions and the K-1s aren't sent out until September when small businesses have to file their tax return. And again, this doesn't give the company an accurate understanding of where it stands financially, nor the owners. So please file early. And the last one is just stay organized. I don't know if I said that, but stay organized. Have that relationship with your money. Do not wait until tax time to know what your profit is for the year. You should actually know how you are and where you stand in your business on an ongoing basis. A lot of companies wait till 18 months after to figure out, hey, I made a loss, or hey, I made this much money, and that's not the place you want to be. You want to be in alignment with where your profit is, where your expenses are, so that you can modify as necessary and maximize your business revenue whenever possible. Hi, I'm Roshawnna Novellus, the president of Novellus Financial, where we focus on savvy financial strategies for entrepreneurs. We focus on tax preparation, tax resolution, and tax resolution is for people or companies that owe $50,000 or more to the IRS. We also provide business advisory and an investor readiness program. So if your business wants to grow or expand, I can help you get there. You can find me on all social media platforms at thewealthyyogi.com. And for the everyday entrepreneur who's interested in yoga, workshops, and mindfulness, I offer a free training that can be found at thewealthyyogi.com/free training. And the course is called 5 Ways to Multiply Wealth in 90 Days. I'm really passionate about helping everyone live the life of their dreams and amplify wealth. You can also find my book, Budgeting is More Liberation Than Limitation, at thewealthyyogi.com or at all book retailers.